10 levels of scared dogs, but they keep getting funny. Can you make it to level 10 without a single giggle? Bro got jump scared. He did not expect a white tiger in his room. Bro got humbled real quick. Bro started running like Scooby-Doo when hunting ghosts. And he's out. Bro be stressing over a car sound.
I don't get nervous, you're a dog.
I think he's a little scared of his owner's new cat. Give this video a like in 6 seconds for good luck. Who would win this fight, the dog or the cat? Vote in the comments. Take your beef somewhere else and let bro sleep. What's that pink thing? Nice backflip? Is Baby Yoda really that much scared?